We're Joe and Esther. Every journey starts the same way. Grab coffee and go. From quiet beaches to hidden parks and places most people pass by. This is Wheels of Passion. Come ride with us. Barcelona is a city that constantly reveals new layers. But some of its most powerful stories aren't found in the skyline. They're hidden beneath your feet. Today, we step into the Born Cultural and Memorial Center, a place where history hasn't just been remembered, it's been preserved exactly where it happened. From the outside, the building immediately catches your eye. Its striking iron and glass design reflects Barcelona's industrial past, blending elegance with function. Once a bustling market hall, the structure itself already feels like a piece of history. But what lies inside takes that feeling to an entirely different level. Beneath the modern structure lies an entire neighborhood from early 18th century Barcelona. Streets, homes, workshops, an entire community frozen in time. These ruins date back to the aftermath of the War of the Spanish Succession, when large parts of the city were demolished following the fall of Barcelona in 1714. From above, elevated walkways guide you through this archaeological site, allowing you to trace the original layout of the neighborhood. You can spot the remains of kitchens, courtyards, and drainage systems, small details that bring everyday life from centuries ago into sharp focus. It's easy to imagine families going about their routines, unaware of the dramatic changes that were about to reshape their world. There's a stillness here that's hard to describe. The noise of the city fades away, replaced by a quiet sense of reflection. Every stone tells a story, not just of loss, but of resilience. This isn't history behind glass cases or written on plaques. It's raw, real, and preserved exactly where it once stood. What makes this place even more powerful is how it connects past to present. Above you is modern Barcelona, vibrant, alive, constantly moving forward. Beneath you is a moment frozen in time, a reminder of everything the city has endured to become what it is today. This isn't just a museum, it's a living memory. And as you stand there, looking down at the foundations of the city that once was, you begin to understand something deeper about Barcelona. It's not just built on history, it's built with it, layer by layer and story by story. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.